What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol BBIG for Vinco Ventures. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talk about the stock regularly here on the channel. The main thing to point out is the area of balance we've been discussing for the past couple of sessions, and the fact that we have now completed the look above and fail, fulfilled the target of the bottom end of the range at roughly $3. Now, what does that mean for the future of BBIG? Well, quite simply put, range rules are back in play. We're either going to bounce off the lows for mean reversion, potentially move to the top end of balance around 357. Be on the lookout for hammer candles that print, anything that shows itself as a bullish pattern here. As of right now, today's session certainly would not indicate that, right? We actually have the opposite, an inverted hammer instead of a regular hammer. So it's not looking promising for a bounce off of that $3 area, the low end of the range. Instead, maybe it's a breakdown, right? And our target here are the lows from here, roughly 263, also prior resistance. So a technically well-respected area. We could have potential for the same thing that we saw here to the downside, right? We could get a look below and fail. It would have to break underneath 3 and then recapture it in short proximity of time. In that case, we know the target would be the top end of the range back to 357. Again, as the chart currently sits on the daily, the inverted hammer certainly would not suggest that there is about to be any bullish activity. If we look at the 30-minute intraday time frame, what else can we learn about the price action here? Well, certainly resistance trendline in play. If you're intent on playing this one to the bull side, at least promise me that you'll wait for a break of the resistance trendline to start to bottom fish here, okay? So if that breaks, again, maybe there's a rotation to the top end around 357, but based on today's action, certainly wouldn't suggest it. Instead, we have more of a flush point forming around 310, and if that breaks, right, that's what's going to take you into 3, and if there's a lot of momentum tomorrow, any candle closes down underneath 3, easily rotate us closer to 263, okay? So it is looking more bearish than bullish out there instead of BBIG, but you have the levels, you have the scenarios to pay attention to. If you enjoyed today's video or learned anything new in this quick update, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.